Hey guys, so we are out hiking today. Charleston, Arizona, which is way southern Arizona, close to Sierra Vista. See my wife back there behind us?
Yep.
She's bringing up the rear. But we're getting in good exercise today.
Yep, we are.
Checking out some old mining area, the town of Charleston, which is long gone, which was actually from the 1800s, 1880s, in that era. You can look back at my last couple videos and see some more. We're going to check some of this out. This is how we lose weight.
Doo-dah, doo-dah.
There's some structure over there.
Ooh, are we there yet?
Over there you get Papa Smurf.
Holy cannoli.
Not far now. You gotta rest.
Yeah.
See the highway over there? See the Huachuca Mountains that way? Our house is not very far, just right up back over there. Ooh.
This wear a person out.
It's a good hike in here. Let's see what we have here.
Oh, there's another barrel cactus.
Some,
Cool.
yeah, they done some mining here.
Huh?
They done some mining here. Looks like it was filled back in.
Oh.
There's still a hole right there.
Yeah.
Right there. See it?
No. I gotta get over there. Hang on.
Right about there. Right there.
You mean over there?
Yeah.
Yeah, I see it.
There's still a hole there. So that was one of the mines. I don't know if that's a tombstone mine or not.
I'm surprised that they don't have that fenced off to keep people from going in it.
I'll check it real quick.
Be
You
careful.
can wait there.
Yeah, be careful.
Oh yeah. It's a mine. It's filled in. I mean, this could be the tombstone mine, but I don't know which one actually is. It's there, but it's pretty much filled in. There's a little hole. But even the Adventure Twins probably couldn't fit through that.
Somebody's probably tried digging it back out.
Probably.
Because I'm sure there's still more silver and stuff in here.
I'm sure they didn't get every single ounce.
Just like places where they've done gold and stuff, I'm sure that it's not all been found.
Especially nowadays, we have a lot more modern technology.
Barrel cactus.
Oh, that's a nice one.
Yeah.
Fish hook.
Yeah.
Cactus.
I said, I'd like to have one of them in my yard. Oh, I got a sticker in my pants.
So most of the stuff you see out here is mesquite. And it can actually grow into trees. But out here there's not enough water for them to grow into trees. Bird watchers, welcome. Here's a little canyon going down through there that
There's that pile of rocks we went around.
So Gerd's house was on the other side of that mound. And the business that they started back in the day.
I see some mines from here.
Huh?
I see some mines over there from here.
Oh yeah. You can see spotted out across there. Mines all out across there.
There's 3 of them right there, 1 right there, and there's some right there in between.
This country down here is riddled
Some kind of like rock wall right there
with mines.
to the left. See it?
No.
Huh? You don't see that rock wall? Look at that rock wall.
Oh yeah. It is a rock wall. It's
And
crumbled down, but there's a rock wall right out there.
Nice thing when we leave out, we'll be going downhill.
That's what I was thinking earlier. Downhill on the way out.
Yep.
We burn more calories downhill, I think. That's why I want to go downhill all the time, burn more calories.
Well, we probably already burned off that 190 calories,
I'm sure.
or just about.
Well, where was all that stuff I seen?
It must be that more that way. There's another barrel cactus. Oh, there's another big one. Wow, look at that one.
Look at that one.
Holy cow. That's a big one.
Nice one. There's a little one.
I think that what we seen a while ago is more that way.
I think it's over here.
Well, you got to get over toward the edge, is what I'm saying.
Yeah, I know. We want to up here. See the road to Sierra Vista back there. Across the San Pedro. It looks a lot different than it did in
Well, what was you seeing
1877.
on there? Because I'm not seeing that either.
It's got to be over here. There's an adobe walls in it.
Huh?
Is this adobe walls right here? Or is this
I think
rock?
it's just dirt piles.
It's just rock. Just rock. So, where the hell did I see that at? That was a big
There's
deal.
another nice barrel cactus. Right up ahead.
It was a big deal.
It looked like all flatland, whatever it was that you was looking at on the drone.
It's time to get shed of this place. But it's awesome to go exploring.
Yes, it is. This is something we like to do, and we haven't been able to get it. We've just not done it.
Yeah, there's no reason for it. We just didn't do it. Now we're doing it.
Yeah. Oh, wow. Look at that cactus growing up in the middle of the tree.
That's pretty wild. What is
Take
that?
a picture of it. I think it's a hedgehog.
Looks like a hedgehog.
I think it's a hedgehog.
That's what it looks like, yeah. We'll go tomorrow and we're going to do another one.
Fairbank.
It is a ghost town called Fairbank. It was about the time of this, a little later than this, I think, Fairbank. But of course, all the towns around here was, because of the mining, was created. Tombstone, Charleston, Fairbank, all the towns.
Huh, that's a funky shaped rock.
It is.
Looks like it's been hit by an asteroid.
Yeah, weird. We're trying to make our way out here. So the big mine, I think, was right there. Probably the Tombstone mine. Now, don't quote me because I'm not 100% on anything. But the only actual mine that we found, besides the hole over there toward the river, and I don't think that was it. This here has all the big rock and all the tailings and all that. So this was the big mining operation right here. And of course, even like here, if there was something here, it's all filled in now.
Oh, here's another mine.
So I figure if there was one right there, it's all filled in too.
Yeah, they filled it in. Yep.
Had a wall built all along right here.
There was a post right there, and then there's a metal rod.
Oh, here we go down here too, maybe. Yeah, that's where we should have been. It's right down here probably. Look here and right over there.
Oh, yeah. Yep.
We need to go down and come just to look at it real quick. So this is all dug out from all the mining right here. I mean, lots of digging they done too. Built that all up. You see the timbers up there where we was earlier.
You gotta be careful where you step.
It's all dug out and it's all been filled back in. We'll probably have to go out that way.
Go back out the same way we come in?
There's some over there. Almost looks like a chimney.
I know. Oh, that's probably their smelter.
Could be.
I bet you that's their smelter. Too bad we couldn't get down there from here. But we can't.
We'd probably go right around this deal and get over there. Don't know. I don't see no actual hole here because I think everything like up above has all been filled in. Well, can we go through there?
Huh?
I said, can we go through there? So there is the other side of that. That looked kind of like a chimney thing. I'm not sure what it was. It's long gone in bad shape now.
I think it's just a building.
Would have been a little building. There's actually a thing out around it, like a building, and that was the fireplace, maybe?
Maybe that was a fireplace.
Because it looks, you see the square out around it, and then that.
There's a lot of red brick. That's why I'm saying it's probably a building.
Very possible.
Interesting.
Okay, guys, that is the end of the video. And I want to give thanks to my #1 sponsor, which is the Lord and Savior Jesus Christ. And He is the ruler of the world. God bless you all. Click that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell icon, and you'll be notified when we put out a new video. And we'll catch you all in the next adventure. Right on. Okay, now we find our way down through the brush here.